Magnetic Seamless Pattern Stamps, also known as SPS tools from Proline Decorative Concrete Systems, are the future of stamped concrete. Their intricate and innovative design leaves a clean, perfect finish every time and will cut labor costs and stamping time in half. So what makes Proline's Magnetic Seamless Pattern Stamps so unique and amazing? Until now, the two most popular types of concrete stamps in the market have been traditional pattern stamps and seamless texture skins. Traditional pattern stamps fit together like a puzzle. These smaller individual stamps will shift during the stamping process and must be kicked together often in order to keep the stamps tightly connected and in the desired line. This movement causes the concrete or stamp overlay material to squeeze out between the stamps and creates double joint lines that require touch-up. This slows down the stamping process, and unless all the double lines are touched up, the finished product will be sloppy and unprofessional. Texture skins come in much larger sizes and do not produce double lines that require touch-up. These features make the stamping process easier and quicker. The texture skins, however, do not have a specific rock, stone, brick, or wood pattern on them. Proline Decorative Concrete Systems has merged the best of both worlds into one tool, combining traditional pattern stamps with seamless texture skins, while also improving the durability, speed, and ease of use of the stamps. SPS tools are built to last. Fiber reinforcement throughout the tools make these the most durable stamps on the market. This means under normal use, there will be no stamp tearing or handle ripping. This stiffer, reinforced design has many great benefits. The stamps are half the weight of seamless texture skins the same size. One person can lift and maneuver these stamps with ease. The added stiffness allows you to get on the concrete earlier without sinking. Another key benefit of the SPS tools is their size. One SPS tool covers 3 to 6 times the area of most traditional pattern stamps. This speeds up production and relieves body fatigue by cutting down on the frequency of placing and lifting the tools. And because these stamps are designed like seamless texture skins, there is no squeezing out of material between the stamps and no touching up of double lines. Magnetic seamless pattern stamps have multiple tenacious magnets on each side of the tool. When these magnets click and lock together with the magnets of another SPS tool, the joints of the pattern align and will not move or shift during the stamping process. As long as the magnets are engaged, the pattern will always line up. No more kicking the stamps to keep them together. To begin, the first tool is placed just like a seamless texture skin. Line up the stamp square with the edge of the concrete. If using an Ashlar pattern design, like the Monterrey Ashlar, use the scored guideline on the back of the stamp to square up the pattern with the layout of the concrete. Once the first tool is placed, just rely on the magnets to lock the stamps together and keep the pattern going in the right direction. For easy placement, bend the stamps and align and lock the magnets with the other tool. Step on the edge of the stamp to hold it in place, then roll the stamp down onto the surface. Use a tamper around the edges and corners first, before connecting and laying down the next tool. During the stamping process, try not to hit the magnets with the tamper when the magnets of 2 or more tools are overlapped. Flip-flop the edges of the stamps before they are removed. When picking up the stamps, grab one handle and roll the tool backward, then lift up the other handle. Because of their size and their dynamic pattern arrangement, stamp identification and pattern repetition on stamped concrete are things of the past. The SPS tools can be staggered. Also, depending on the pattern, most SPS tools can be rotated 90 or 180 degrees. Staggering and stamp rotation will produce even more pattern variations. For walls, use a touch-up skin first to provide texture along the edge, then stamp up to the wall. Use the joint touch-up tool to continue the joint to the wall. For best results stamping with the SPS tools, use Proline's liquid release, as antique release powders tend to gather at the magnets. Magnetic seamless pattern stamps are the culmination of 30 years of concrete stamping experience. Proline Decorative Concrete Systems has taken that experience and passion to design these game-changing tools. SPS tools are light, durable, easy to use, and cover more area than traditional pattern stamps. They provide a clean, professional finish every time, without the time and hassle of touching up double joint lines. SPS tools will deliver professional quality stamped concrete in half the time as traditional pattern stamps. We guarantee these are the best concrete stamps you will ever use. No other stamping tools can compare. For more information regarding the SPS tool patterns available, please visit www.prolinestamps.com.